In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use reports in Access. Reports are basically used to provide information available in the database in a systematic way. Using reports, data stored in different tables can be summarized and displayed in a required format. So let us learn how to create reports in Access. So the database which we have created in the previous class contains two tables, student details and employee table. Let us use employee table for creating reports. Easiest way to create report is by using report option available in the reports tab of the create tab. When we click on report, it generates report containing the details in employee table. By default, all the records which are present in the employee table will be displayed in the report. This is the easiest method of creating report which can be used to present all the information available in the table. It is also possible to present specific information from one table or from more tables. Let us learn the other two options for creating report. One we have is report wizard. So step by step, wizard help us to generate report. Click on report wizard. It allows you to select the table or query from where the information is to be placed in the report. Let us select employee table. It displays all the fields available in the employee table. Select only the required columns which you are going to add on the report one by one. Let us take all the fields. Go to the next tab. In this, it asks, do you want to add any grouping levels? That is, whether you want to group the records by some field, based on some field. Now in this case, we can make use of department for grouping the records, for grouping the employees department wise. So select department and add it for the grouping level. Click on next. We can also select how to arrange the records, which field should be used for arranging the records. We can arrange it in ascending or in descending order. So in this case, let us select employee ID. Click on summary options if you want to calculate summary values. So in this case, let us use sum of salary. So it calculates salary department wise and the grand total of the salary is also displayed in the report. Click on OK. Go to the next step. Here it allows us to select the layout and the orientation. It shows the preview here how the data is going to be displayed on the report. Select the orientation, portrait or landscape. Go to next. select the style of the report. So in the given style, the information will appear on the report. Click on Finish to preview the report, or select Modify the report design if any changes are to be done in the report's design. Let us select Preview the report, click on Finish. This is how the report will be created. Here, some values are not displayed completely. For this, some changes can be done in the design of the report. To change the design, the report should be switched to Design View. And the required changes can be done in the report. Let us add proper headings. Select the proper alignment. Using Shift button, all the required fields can be selected, and then the formatting option can be used. So in this design, it is displaying different sections of the report, that is report header, which will appear on the first page of the report. Report header will appear in the report only once. Then we have page header. Page header will be displayed on every page. Then the department header, as we are using department for grouping, it will add one more section in the report, that is department header, to give any heading. Department header can be used. Then in the details section, the main information in the table will appear in the detail section. Department footer. So here, after every department, as we have selected department for grouping, after every department, any information is to be displayed for that department can be selected here. Page footer will appear on every page, and at the last, report footer. Here we can give information which we are going to display in the reports footer section, which will appear on the last page of the report. So once all the changes are done in the design, it can be converted It can be switched to the report view. This is how the report can be created in using report wizard. Another method for creating report is report design. This is used to create reports from scratch. Click on the report design. It creates a blank report wherein the required content can be added. Click on Add Existing Fields to specify which information is to be added on the report. Select the field and drag it on the report. Go to Arrange tab and let us display the report details in the tabular format. This is how other fields can be added on the report and arranged in a tabular format. This is how all the fields can be arranged. The required formatting can be done in the report. By default, it adds page header and page footer. We can also add report header and footer, and the required details can be added in every section. Let us add page number in the footer. So select page footer. In the design tab, we have page numbers. Report header will appear at the beginning of the report. We can add the company details or logo, if any, by using the options available in the control. Let me add the label in the report header and give proper title. Let us format the label by using the options available in the design tab. Appropriate heading can be given to the columns. Hold Shift key and select all the column headings. And choose required formatting. Let us add a line below the column headings. Property sheet can be used to format these controls. Let us increase the width of the line. Let us add one more line. After performing all the formatting on the report can be switched to the report view. Right click on the report tab and select report view. So this is how a report can be created by using report design.